Our Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that data is new oil.
Data is the new oil.
Yeah, it's true. Data is new oil. From companies' names starting from A, B, C, D, G, F, M, N and so on till Z. Every single company, every single organization is manipulating, analyzing data in order to make money, in order to grow their business, in order to make intense amount of money. Even YouTube, Spotify, every single company, every single giant that you must have heard about are using data in such a way that it is helping them in growing their business up to a pinnacle level. You can't understand, you are not able to even calculate on your fingers how these companies are making in sense of money, in sense of respect, by manipulating, analyzing, by playing with the data they have gained from us, from the people around the world who are using their services. So it is the time where we can say data is new oil. As our Prime Minister said, data is new oil, data is gold.
Data is the new gold.
It's all combined in a sense that data will help you to make money, and that's why data scientist's job is one of the sexiest job being reviewed by Harvard Business School, and it is said that data science is one of the sexiest job of the 21st century, and that's why its pay scale is a way greater than a software engineer. So data scientists are the people who are able to make intense amount of money in sense of knowledge, in sense of job, and they can literally manipulate the life of a user, the life of a person, and by manipulating the data they are producing every single day. Sounds sexy, right? So again, a new question arises: how one can become a data scientist? Math skills. You must actually have some sense of senior secondary school levels mathematics. If you have those, then surely you will definitely land a great data science job, and you are able to understand the working of machine learning models, algorithms behind the math working in these models. These are linear algebra, multivariable calculus, optimization techniques, statistics, probability. So these are very easy things. These are some theoretical concepts, and once you get the theoretical concepts, apply these concepts in the machine learning, in the practical hands-on, and you will definitely able to become a great data scientist one day. No matter, just it is the need of preparation. Don't procrastinate. The third skill which you must have as a aspiring data scientist is computer skills. I have recorded a video on computer skills where you will be introduced to the computer science from a way beginner level by the professor of Harvard University, David Mellon, which is taking you to the what is computer science, what is binary, what is 0-1 in the computer, what is computer, what is programming languages, what is low level, what is high level. So on that video I have talked about that particular course, which is absolutely free for all time, for the lifetime. If you are watching this video in 2022, if you are watching this video in after 10 years, 50 years, no matter, the course content will be there on their website. Just go. I will share the link of this video in the description. You must go and check out and learn the computer skills. Once you have the computer skills, you must know the programming language. And for data science, the best programming language, people say, because I'm not an experienced person, people say Python or R, but most of the people recommend to Python. You can also code in the Java, but a programming language which supports object-oriented programming, which supports library for machine learning, then Python, and which is also easy to understand, because data scientists are not the person whose time is going into the coding, but they are the person whose time going into the logic, to the problem statement. So Python is a way easier manner. To code what the logic they have thought, what the logic they have applied for. So Python will definitely help. So now the question arises, from where you are able to learn Python. The best of the best answer I can give you, there are 3 websites that I have talked about in a particular video. I will paste the link in the description of this video. You are requested, you are urged to watch these two videos I have shared in the description in order to learn the computer science and the Python skills. These three websites are absolutely free for a beginner, and for intermediate and advanced projects and internships are there. Now a new question arises, only Python? Of course not. How can you able to think like that? Only Python will not help you to land a data science job or any job. You must have some alternative skills. You must have some more skills in your mind, in your hands. So with the knowledge of writing codes in Python or in any programming R or Java, you must have these skills, which includes data structures, basics of data structures and algorithm. Not up to limited to the basics, you can also go to the advanced data structures, but basics of data structures is very necessary for writing an optimized code. You must have the database knowledge. You must have MySQL knowledge, MongoDB knowledge, which is written in the dictionary format. It is NoSQL language, MongoDB is. So it will definitely help you to learn the database in a true sense. You must know aware about the Linux, Git, how Git works, Git commands. You must know cloud computing.
Not this cloud, absolutely not. It's not obvious you to learn this cloud.
You must know about the cloud, which is three best cloud providers: Azure, GCP and Amazon AWS.
Once you get the knowledge of these cloud services, you are allowed to fly in the cloud. In this cloud as well, while sitting in the aeroplane. So get the knowledge of cloud.
And if I tell you, I have all these three cloud services licensed. When I deploy my machine learning model on these clouds, I do not need to pay for them. Why? Because I have my GitHub student developer pack ID, which helps me to gain the credits, to gain the monthly subscriptions of these cloud providers. I have $100 in my student ID. Wherever I want to claim that my credit, I can. Whenever I will be going to deploy my machine learning models on these clouds, I will use them. So if you wanna get these benefits also, then ask your college to give you student ID and apply for that. And how can you apply for that? For this also I have created a video, a thumbnail as this, and I will also paste the link of this video in the description. You are again requested to check the description in order to get this pack. And once you get this pack, you are able to access the clouds. And once you get the access, you are able to build clouds. You are able to enjoy, you are able to fly in the clouds, which is absolutely free. The thing is, these all skills are the very basic beginner level necessary things for the entering in the data science. But you are not sure about if you have these skills, you will sustain in your job, because there are lots of stuffs coming in. So stay tuned in the video.